we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of MICTUNING N3 Car Underglow Light Strip Kit, Chasing Dream Color RGB+IC LED, Exterior Lighting Accessories, Underbody Multicolor Neon. App Control, IP68 Waterproof, 4 pieces, 2 years warranty. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Multicolor, Multi-Fun. 160,000 colors, 76 default dynamic modes, 8 DIY modes, full on/off and mic sync feature will bring you a colorful visual and fun experience. Chasing, shifting, pulsing, gradient, numerous dreamy effects ready for you to explore. Brilliantly bright. N3 Car Underglow RGB+IC Light Strip Kit consists of 2 pieces 2.9 feet and 2 pieces 3.9 feet ultra bright light strips. These high-density strips boast an astonishing 252 LEDs, flooding your vehicle with attention-grabbing light. Wireless app control. Adjust light effects, brightness, and flashing speed. Create your unique light show right from your phone. Get rid of multiple apps, you can control all MICTUNING lights on just one MICTUNING app. Stable app system. The Underglow LED strip controller built-in automotive-grade chip for easier, faster, and more stable Bluetooth connection. Scan the QR code in the user manual and download the MICTUNING app to easily switch colors, adjust brightness, saturation, frequency, or turn the lights on and off. IP68 waterproof and long-lasting. Drive with confidence in any weather thanks to industrial silicone-sealed light strips with 3-pin waterproof connectors. Meets SAE quality standards, with a product lifespan exceeding 100,000 hours. Easy installation. Plenty of cord length, a convenient 2-path wiring design, and sturdy installation options using the provided adhesive backing, screws, clamps, and zip ties allow you to easily mount the light strips beneath your vehicle. Perfect for adding a stunning neon glow to cars, SUVs, and trucks. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.